Scrappers, Moose here. So in this video we're going to be scrapping an old projector. It's a Super Micromatic from the 1960s or 70s. Now, of course, this thing is completely trashed. I tried selling it already on eBay. No takers whatsoever. So we're going to scrap it. Doesn't work anyway. Let's take a look. Alright, so it comes in this case. And this case has some nice big aluminum strands here on the sides. Those are steel. They've got power cord. Alright, so we've got this antique looking thing here that has a little record player. And looks like access is going to be from the bottom. Alright, so this plate is aluminum. Make sure we pull everything off that. Here, we've got a nice little board. This stuff just wants to fall right out. Alright, so we got a switch here. You want to make sure you check inside there for silver contacts. Alright, so we got a copper motor here. And it looks like this one. Yep, this is one of those that would be pretty easy to get the copper out of. You just need to unscrew this thing off and then smack it right there with a hammer, and it should just slide right out. Alright, so to finish the scrap off here, I weighed everything up. I know a lot of you folks have been asking me to weigh things up. I'm not going to give any prices though, because prices change, and this video will hopefully be up for years. But we had 3 pounds of steel. We had 4 pounds of electric motors. We had 7.5 pounds of aluminum and 1 full pound of wire. There's also this speaker magnet, which I didn't weigh, and these 2 little low-grade boards. But I'm not going to be selling these. Alright, so that's it for a projector. Just want to reiterate that yes, this machine did not work. I did try to sell it on eBay for parts. Did not sell. If it works, sell it. You will make more money that way. No animals were harmed during the filming of this video, and yeah, that's it. So if you have any questions, comment, like, subscribe. See you on the next one.